Hi guys, I just got off work tonight so you guys could watch it because I want to at least try and stick to my schedule. So I'm hoping I will be able to stick to my schedule this time. Anyways, I do want to show you guys. First, I want to mention a couple of things just because it's been a while since I've actually caught you guys up on things that's going on in our lives. I'm super excited. Next week, Josh and I are going to New Mexico. We're going to be road tripping over there with some friends. And I'm super excited for it because I'm just excited to get out of Colorado for a little bit and just get out of town and experience a different environment. And we're also going to check out this crazy museum that's over there, and I can't wait to do that either. But yeah, so I'm super excited for that. My promotion at work is going great. I love it. Everything's just been going pretty good lately, and I couldn't be more grateful for it. Thank you to the big man upstairs. But yeah, so I just wanted to catch you guys up on that. I'm super excited to go. Sorry, I'm looking at my email. I'm super excited. I have a membership card? Okay, I'm super excited just to experience a different environment and stuff. And yeah. And to road trip. I love road trips. And it's only a 6-hour drive from here, so it's not going to be that bad. So yeah, it's going to be a fun time. I feel like, and then we have March is just going to be a great month. So we have New Mexico next week. The following week after that is mine's and Josh's anniversary. The week after that is my birthday. Super excited. And then April is my sister Monique's birthday. And then March, April, May. Oh, and this weekend's my niece Remy's birthday party. That's gonna be fun. And then March, April, May. What is in May? I have to get tags on my card. That's not gonna be fun. I also have to get my passports in April. Yeah, really soon I have to get my passports. May, tags on my car, and it's summertime by then. Oh, April's also Easter. And then June is Cancun, and I cannot wait to go. I am so excited. I'm so excited and I'm so impatient. And I'll be on a week and a half off of work, and then the day I get back, I get back on the 3rd, which I'll be off of work, and then the next day is July 4th, which is 4th of July, and I get paid for that, and I don't have to work that day either. So it will definitely be fun and interesting. Yeah, so I just wanted to catch you guys up on that stuff, all the fun things going on. Anyways, I went to Target today. Decided to show you guys everything I got. I am obsessed with their M&E line. It's, their lines M&E, Mila, and Emma. Their clothing line for toddlers is unbelievably cute. So I got Madison this cute little dress. She already has 2 dresses from this brand. So I got her this cute little dress. It has these little pom-pom things at the end. And it's like a plaid dress. It's so cute with the little buttons on the back. I can't wait for her to wear this. So I got her that. This was, their outfits are kind of pricey. It was $16. Yeah. Pretty pricey. So I've been shopping for her slowly but surely, and I'm just excited for her to look all cute this summer. And then it's my niece Remy's birthday party this weekend, so I got her a little outfit. This little gray striped shirt. And some little capri pants. Look how cute these are. So cute, huh? So I got her these. And then I'm also going to get her a gift. Another gift. And then I'm super excited for this, guys. I'm super excited for this shirt. I seen Fashionably K is how you say her name on Instagram. She got this shirt from Target, and it's super cute. It's a very thin material. I love it. And then she wore it with a jean jacket. So want to know what I'm going to go get? A jean jacket, because I already bought this. So all I need is a jean jacket. Super cute, right? And this was $20. And then 2 more things, and then I'm done. I'm done, I'm done, I'm done. I'm super hyper right now. I don't know why. Okay. Okay. So I got this Bliss moisturizer. Can it focus? Bliss moisturizer. This is what it looks like in the front. And it's cream to water hydrator for all day moisturizer. So I got this because I was looking for a new moisturizer. And it's super cute. Look at the light blue. Isn't that cute? And then I got a chapstick because, you know, your girl lives in Colorado. I wear a lot of lipstick, so I don't really find myself wearing chapstick. But I wanted to get this. So this is the Shea Moisturizer Fruit Fusion Coconut Water Shea Butter Vegan Lip Balm. So this is what it looks like in case you guys want to go grab one. I already put some on my lips because my lips are super dry. I've been using a lot of lip scrub because my lips get like really cracky and it has like dead skin on my lips sometimes. So I've been using lip scrub and that helps take the dead skin off. But yeah, so I got those and that's all I got. So I'm gonna go upstairs. Madison's actually sleeping right now. I'm gonna go upstairs and I'm waiting for this vlog to upload. So I'm gonna go upstairs, watch Very Cavallari and Vanderpump Rules and Siesta Key. 3 of my favorite shows, and I have Very Cavallari comes on I think on Tuesdays, which is tonight, and then also Siesta Key's on tonight. And Vanderpump Rules was last night. So I'm going to continue to finish watching Vanderpump, eat some Chinese food, and watch my TV shows. Josh is working late tonight, sadly, but it's okay. Because when he works late, I kind of like it when he works late sometimes because I get to watch my TV shows. During the week, he does not let me watch my TV shows. Like, never ever does he let me. And when I do watch it, he just complains the whole time. Why do you like stupid shows like this? Why do you guys watch stuff like this? Why do girls watch shows about drama? Oh my god. The whole time. So yeah, I'm glad he's at work so I could watch my shows. Papa?
This is your present.
Yeah?
No.
Be careful. Hi guys, good morning. I look like a pile of crap, I know. But anyways, today of course is Saturday, and I always have a busy schedule on Saturdays, so I was gonna go to the home buying seminar. Completely forgot about it, but anyways, I'm gonna clean the house. Then I gotta go to TJ Maxx and return this phone case I got. And then I bought my niece Remy something from this TJ Maxx store. I bought her an outfit, but I wanted to get her a toy too. And then, what else? Can't think of what else I need. Oh yeah, I'm gonna look for a jean jacket to buy and a pair of jeans. Yeah, that's on the schedule. Next week we leave for New Mexico and I'm super excited about that. I can't wait to just go on a road trip and get out of Colorado for a little bit. It's definitely gonna be an experience. I'm excited. So I'm gonna finish cleaning. I have to clean our bedroom, Maddie's room, and the basement. And then once I'm done with that, I'll probably get ready to head out. And I have to also make Madison breakfast too, so I'm gonna make her some breakfast real quick, clean, get ready, and then head out. So yeah, that's the plan. Hi kitty kitty. He's so pretty. I love him. Look at him, he's just so chill. Are you ready to eat Num Nums? Come on. So this is Madison's breakfast, just pancakes with syrup and grapes. I don't make her eggs anymore because she absolutely won't touch them. She doesn't like eggs anymore. So yeah. Now let's get this little booger in the thing. Come on. Come on. Hands up. Okay.
Just one thing wrong.
Hi guys, so right now me and Maddie are at the car wash and I'm waiting to vacuum my car, but literally all the spots are taken and then I'm waiting in line to get my car washed. So yeah, it's 10:44 and I'm gonna wash my car, go to TJ Maxx, no, go to Starbucks, then to TJ Maxx, and then home. Yeah. Can I try the cloud macchiato? I'll just get a grande.
Grande, and is hot or cold?
Cold.
Cold?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that'll be it. Thank you.
That it today?
Yeah.
Alright, 5:35, thank you.
That was like the longest delay ever. Ow, damn it. Alright guys, I'm gonna try Ariana Grande's, Cloud Macchiato. I'm nervous to see if it actually tastes good or if it tastes like crap. Are we gonna try it? Well, I'm gonna try Ariana Grande's Cloud Macchiato, huh baby? Anyways, I got the car washed and I should have bought one of those fiber cloths because now there's spots all over the window. Which is kind of annoying, and it's like, look at this, disgusting. Like, do you see that right there? Gross. Whatever, what can you do? I tried, so I don't know. Josh doesn't get really mad though because he hates when I waste money on the car wash. Because he said he knows how to do it. I'm like, I highly doubt it, but okay. Alright guys, I had to pause for a second so I could, well, I had to park real quick so I could try the Cloud Caramel Macchiato, and I'm afraid I wasted $5 on this. Like, look how much foam is in it. And look how much coffee. Like, what in the shit is this? So let's try it and see if it's even like worth having. Literally just tastes like, I'd compare it to the cold foam salted caramel drink. This is comparable. But there's so much foam in it, it's a waste of money. Like, why am I spending $5 on this?